Hi, and welcome along to BalloonTube, and this week we're going to be showing you the pussycat. Here he is, and give a little twirl for you. There you go, give a twirl around. And right, so to make this one you need a 260. I use orange and I leave about 6 fingers uninflated. Alright, you need a just over two and a half finger bubble. That's going to be the centre of the back of his head. Alright, and then you need, here we go, I have to remember here, squeeze the air along because you want these to be quite soft. You need a 4 finger bubble, a 1.5 finger bubble, a 1 finger bubble, squeeze the air again, another 1 finger bubble, another 1.5 finger bubble, sorry, another 1 finger bubble there. So just to recap, because I got it wrong there, a 2.5 finger bubble for 1.5, 1, 1, 1. Then make sure that doesn't come undone. They won't notice, don't worry. So you can have 3 1 finger bubbles. There you go. And, squeeze the air along, and then you need a 1.5 finger bubble, and then your last 4 finger bubble. There you go, for the other side of the head. So you should end up like this. Twist those together. There we go. Now this is going to be an ear. Alright, this is the centre of his head and another ear. So you've got to do a, hold this 2 bubbles together, pull this bubble away and twist it around into a pinch twist. There you go. Do the same on this side, push them together, pull that one away. So it should look a bit like this, and now you need to pinch twist the smaller one in the centre. So pull it away, twist it around. So it should look something like this. You now need a 6 finger bubble for his front leg, and between a 3 and a 4 finger bubble for his the bottom part of his body, and a small pinch twist. So pull this, twist this one around here, pull this away. There you go. And now, if this is a 6 finger bubble, you want this back one to be a 7 finger bubble. It needs to be just a fraction longer, not a lot, just a little bit longer, because that wants to be arched at the back. Right? That will go around the bottom part of his head there. And now you need to match up for the front leg, the front part of the body, and the bottom legs there. So measure that down, make sure it's the same size, and then just twist that. Wrap it around so it doesn't come undone, and then whatever size you've got bubble here, you need to match that up. You need to deflate this in your favourite method. Don't be like me, don't use your teeth. See if you've got a cutter or something. Alright, measure that so that's the same size. This will slowly deflate. Oh, it might even pop like that. And tie that round the pinch twist at the back. There we go. Now that'll end up looking like this. Right, the knot of the balloon goes up onto this pinch twist. So pull that up nice and tight. And also what I like to do is to take the end of the knot and go back around the bottom part of the head. So that really locks it in place there, so it sits like this. Then you need your either white, oh it's fallen on the floor, either white or ivory, depends which colour you prefer. I'm doing it in ivory. You need a 1.5 finger bubble, 2 of those, and the knot goes around the second twist. Take the knot over the top to give you 2 pinch twists that are roughly the same size and the same pressure. You then need a 2 finger bubble for the bottom part of his mouth, and that twist goes up into the 2 pinch twists, and twist that around. So it should end up looking a little bit like that. Then you just need a small 1.5 finger bubble, squeeze the air along, and you need 2 3 finger fold twists. So make sure, measure that against your 3 fingers. Again, squeeze the air along, another 3 finger fold twist. And then the 2 fold twists go into the centre of the head. Now you get in here, wrap this all in. Wrap that around. There we go. Now we've got to do his eyes. So we're about between a 2 and a 2.5 finger bubble, and that twist goes around the centre of the pinch twist. So that's the smaller of the 2 pinch twists at the top of the head, and then bring this down, squeeze the air, another between a 2 and a 2.5 finger bubble that goes around the bottom, between the top of his body and the bottom of his head. And next time, get a little round for you, a little bit more like a pussycat. Great. Now then, so hopefully you can start to see. This, the ivory goes between his body, within his tummy, and then this I measure to the back pinch twist here. So it goes to about there. Go round the pinch twist, and he's sitting like this now. And this section here, break that off with your favourite method, but you need to keep between a 3 and a 4 finger bubble here. So we go about that, and you do that into, split that in half, because these are going to be his claws or his feet. Tie those up, and then you want that into 2 pinch twists. So just twist one over the other, so you end up with this. And if we go into this section here, go for it. Don't forget, these are non-popping balloons. If only that was true, eh? So they all sit like that, and then all we've got to do is put his little nose on, and here's what I've prepared earlier, just a little 1 finger bubble. When you tie it up, don't do it too tight, otherwise it'll end up like a pinch twist, won't it? So it's got to be soft. That will go right here. And, so that will sit on like this. And then you need a little towel, and the towel I'll do out of a 1/16, and this one is just, I use the end so that we don't have the knot there, and it's a 12 finger bubble, so there you go, 12 fingers. You might want your cat's towel to be a little bit shorter, but I like it to be slightly over exaggerated. Wrap that in, and then we can curl this around, give it a shot twist or 2, so you can get it into whatever shape you like. And there he is. So here's our cat, and then just draw. And oh, I nearly forgot to measure the pinch twist here. I like to slightly push it down in between his eyes. There we go. Because then that slightly just separates his eyes a little bit. All right, and make sure your pinch twists are sideways on. And just a couple of eyes, some whiskers. There we go. So we'll have one there, one on the other side, and one about there. Oh, it's got one eye to the other. Never mind. And you need some whiskers. There we go. And he's a bit wonky, his eyes, and then you need his I'm sure you get the idea, don't you? So there's our pussycat. I hope it's of some use to you. If you could hit the subscribe button down there, we just give a little twirl. Sorry, wonky eye. Here we go. Alright, it's bye from me, bye from the cat, and we'll see you again sometime. So thanks a lot. Bye bye.